Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got an unboxing review. I've actually been approached by the makers of Heromask Pro to do a unboxing and a walkthrough, use through sort of thing. So I've got one of these, well, I've got the Samsung Gear because I have got the Samsung 10 phone. But at the minute, we're going to go through this and see what we can do. I've had a look at other videos and reviews and stuff, and it's a lot different to the Samsung Gear. This is more of a, should we say, like a good little the cardboard thing, so it's actually just a holder for the phone while you're doing an app. You've got full instructions, or guide in German, French, Italian, English, and Spanish. Now, basically what you'll do with this is stick your phone in the front and you will play games with it. But you can use it as a standard viewer for the phone. The only thing that I think is missing is probably a controller. Nice little, that's very soft, cloth for cleaning the lenses with. Bubble wrapped. Nothing else in the box, let's get rid of that for a minute. Inside, ooh, that looks very nice, that. I'll leave that on. It's kind of, it's cloth-sided. It's not as cold and plastic, even though the front is cold and plastic, than what the Samsung is. A couple of nice little lenses inside there. I don't know what that button does. Right, let's have a go through this, shall we? Right, press the button open there, that opens up for the phone. I think it shouldn't go in there, it probably should go against here, and then that's a spring. It does seem to look like it might, that's padded on there. Yeah, look, it might break, I don't think. I won't think so, because it does look like metal. Well, that will hold your phone in place inside there. The biggest thing that attracted me to this, that's over the Samsung Gear VR, is you got the 3 dials on top. You got the middle one, which will do the width of your eyes, because nobody's face is the same, so it will go left and right. It's kind of pushing against the padding there a little. It's not velcroed on. Oh, that's not bad. Didn't have to wash it. Seems to be a little bit in the way there, but that's fine. So that middle one will do the width to try and get your eyes, the retina bang behind where the lens is supposed to be. And then you've got this 2 on the side of here, which do the focus independently for each eye, which I think is a good little touch. Because I wear glasses, so you won't have to wear them. You can wear them with this, but it's a lot easier if you don't. But to focus each one of the lenses into each eye, which I've got different prescriptions for each eyeball, is actually quite a good touch. The normal standard Samsung does do one. If you've got 2 eyes that are out of focus, you can have a problem. But the bottom there feels like a button for something. It's not a button for release. There's no electronics at all on this. I don't know what that button does. Can't see what it does. So we'll figure that out later. Straps will adjust. Velcro on there. Velcro on the side there. And one on the top as well to get it properly in place as well. Now, they say on this one they've actually got 2 apps. The mathematics, because it's mainly a child's learning toy. Put your headset on and then you can start learning through your mobile phone. It is compatible with a lot of phones. When you got the Samsung VR, it's compatible with the Samsung phone. Now I've got a little connector on the bottom there. I don't think that's going to be a problem. But you line your phone up with the middle of there, which is the only problem, and you'll clip into place. It will fit a lot bigger phone than what I've got, so that's quite good. It's kind of, in place quite well. So let me get some apps downloaded and try and get the phone installed and ready and see what we can do with this. See if it's actually alright or whether or not it's just another cardboard version. Very simple installation. Go to the App Store, type in Heromask app, and then you can have your mathematics and install. There is languages as well there, so we'll go through one or even both of these if we can. Download and get it installed. As easy as that. Then install get the app running, get it plugged into your Heromask, and that should be it. So we'll see what happens when it's finally downloaded. Right, I'm currently watching a 360 film with the camera in front. There's nothing much I can do. The button underneath, there's actually press something which makes something on the screen appear, and I cannot do anything with it. You've got to have the camera, the phone, exactly in the right place. And mine's a little bit off to the side a bit, but it's awkward to do. You can see 360 footage well enough, but to be honest, it's a bit odd. There's not much control over it. It's not in the right place. It's kind of tricky to use. See, my biggest problem is I've downloaded the apps, and then you think you can play them. Okay, there's a roller coaster going around. I can see around. It's hard to focus as well, even with the independent for each eyes. Ooh. That's really tricky to actually use. No, it does work as a 360 camera, but it doesn't as well at the same time. But the thing with the actual apps themselves is you think you've got the apps, but then as soon as you go onto the phone with the app, you have to pay £25 for the app. So for an educational thing that you can't actually use that well because there's no controls, I'll assume playing the app itself is a lot better, because you might have control with left, right, forward, back, up, down sort of thing on the movement of your phone. But another 25 quid on top of this? I mean, I've been given this only, not been given any code to actually use the app. It's just a download done, and it's... I don't know. I mean, my Samsung VR is... You got your controls on the side. Controls there. It fits your phone directly onto there. So that's quite nice. You've only got one focus, but I've never had any problems with the focal length in this as well. Nice and comfortable on there. With that, I felt it's kind of steaming up inside. So I'm not actually that keen. So I was going to show you some footage, but it's actually not worth trying to attempt to record, because it's not very good, shall we say. It's a bit meh. When I put camera back on, and I'll do a little compare on both of them, both these, the Samsung and the Heromask. And we're back on the desk again. I mean, yes, it's good on certain levels. Yes, that does press something, and it has to be pressing inside of here. Oh, it's that. It's touching the screen. Yeah. So it taps the screen to show you what you're doing, but it shows you then options for pause and skip, and it doesn't... You can't do anything with it, which is a bit odd. So I think this is it's not going to replace the Samsung, no way. I mean, that's easy. Take that off the front. I've got for the new phone. I need to pull that out because this is an S connector. That's a magnetic one I bought just to make it easier to charge. Clicks into there, clicks down, and it's all calibrated for the phone. It might be better with a different phone. It might be better if it wasn't too expensive for the apps as well. That's a big no-no. So yeah, Heromask, buy one if you want. If you want a cheap Goodle cardboard box, if you want a Samsung VR because you've got a Samsung, buy a Samsung Gear VR. So yeah, quick review. Please thumbs up, thumbs down, like and subscribe. Where's my board? Here's my board. And I'll, yeah, please like and subscribe. I don't, it's not for me, shall we say. It might be good for other people to use. For me, it's not usable whatsoever. So sorry to Heromask. One of them things, one of them reviews. So follow my social media. I'm doing Twitch as well now if anybody'd like to watch me play games. I've got a kind of a regular schedule, but it's on and off when, if or where I do it. So reviews and stuff will be still on YouTube. Twitch will be doing some gaming stuff, just plodding around with it. Could do with some followers if you wouldn't mind. But other than that, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.